Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by connecting Gemini to your Google Drive so it can read and write files. Sign into the exact Google account used in Gemini, then pick or create the folder you want Gemini to use. Once done, grant permission when Gemini requests Drive access. This is necessary because the assistant needs OAuth permission to interact with files. Make sure to accept file-scoped access rather than full account sharing when offered, because that limits risk while still allowing Gemini to open and edit documents. Now configure Gemini's integration screen and authorize the Drive connection. In Gemini, navigate to Connected Services, choose Google Drive, then select the folder you previously prepared. You will be prompted to approve specific scopes, confirm read and write so Gemini can summarize, edit, or save files. Once authorized, test by asking Gemini to open a document in that folder. When it retrieves the file, you know the link works. If it prompts again, reauthorize and ensure the same Google account is active in your browser. Finish by using Gemini to perform real tasks on Drive content. Request a summary, ask for edits, or have Gemini create a new document in the shared folder. After edits, instruct Gemini to save changes back to Drive and confirm by checking the file or version history. If something goes wrong, try reauthorizing the connection first. Next, clear app cache or browser cookies, and finally verify Drive API access in your Google account. This sequence resolves most connectivity or permission errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.